हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज ये हमारा अनदर पार्ट है चैप्टर 1 का, विच इज़ गोइंग टू स्कूल चैप्टर 1। तो हमने ये सीमेंट ब्रिज तक कर लिया था, अब हम वल्लम से स्टार्ट करेंगे, विच इज़ यूज्ड इन केरला। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट केरला and which type of boat is used in Kerala to go to school? Yes, correct. Vallam. So let's read about Vallam. So in some parts of Kerala we use a Vallam, means small wooden boat to reach school. So आपको पता ही है कि केरला वाटर साइड पे है और वो उसके केरला के सम पार्ट में जो होते हैं वहाँ पर वल्लम यूज़ किया जाता है पानी में से, क्योंकि उनको जाना होता है। और वल्लम एक टाइप का बोट है, तो उस बोट को जिसका नाम वल्लम है उससे बच्चे यूज़ करते हैं स्कूल जाने के लिए। और वो क्या है? एक स्मॉल वुडन बोट। देन क्वेश्चन आंसर कुछ है। हैव यू सीन एनी अदर काइंड ऑफ बोट्स? ये अगर आपने देखी हैं तो यस, और उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा लिख सकते हो, और अगर नहीं देखी तो नो। कैन यू थिंक ऑफ अदर वेज बाय विच वी कैन ट्रैवल ऑन वाटर? सो देयर आर मैनी वेज टू ट्रैवल इन वाटर. यू हैव टू राइट योर ओन आंसर. सो नाउ वी आर next we will read about Rajasthan. You know the state na, Rajasthan, which is in India. So in Rajasthan usually they use camel cart. What children use to reach school? Camel cart, yeah. So we live in desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. तो यहाँ पर ये एक पिक्चर है कैमल कार्ट की, जिसमें देखिए एक ड्राइवर है, ड्राइवर टाइप का, वो उस कैमल को मतलब चलाने में कर रहा है, और ये पीछे बहुत सारे बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं. इन द पिक्चर यू कैन सी. ओके, नाउ हियर आर सम क्वेश्चंस. So let's read it out. Have you ever sat in a camel cart or horse carriage? Tonga. Where did you climb on it yourself or did someone help you? So if yes, so यहाँ पे जो आपसे पूछा गया है, अगर आपने किसी टोंगा यानी कि हॉर्स कैरेज या फिर कैमल कार्ट पे आप कभी बैठे हो तो बताइए उसके बारे में, और अगर नहीं तो एक लाइन में लिख दीजिए, No, I have never sat in a camel cart or horse carriage. Then next question. How did you feel? How did you feel riding in a cart? Also share your experience in class also. So ये तो आप अपने आप से ही लिख पाएंगे. एक्सपीरियंस पे निर्भर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन वहीं ऐसे ही हैं जो एक्सपीरियंस पे निर्भर होते हैं. Bullock cart, which is in, now we going to read about village in the plains. जो भी गांव होते हैं वो प्लेन में गांव, village in the plains. So bullock cart. So usually bullock cart is used in villages, you all know. And if you we ride in our bullock cart, going slowly through the green fields. If it's too sunny or raining, we use our umbrellas. So ये बताया जा रहा है कि हम bullock cart जो होता है उसकी मदद से जाते हैं. bullock cart ये है जो बैल खींच रही है, और ये बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं. और देन लिखा है going slowly थ्रू ग्रीन फील्ड्स. जो ग्रीन फील्ड होती हैं, खेत होते हैं, वहाँ से स्लोली यानी बहुत धीरे धीरे जाते हैं. इफ़ इट्स टू सनी और रेनिंग वी यूज़ आवर अम्ब्रेलास. तो यहाँ पर देखिए ऊपर ये अभी बहुत सनी डे हो रहा है, तो उनने इतना वो एक अम्ब्रेला ले रखा है ताकि वो धूप से बचे रहें। ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारे 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं। सो ये ब्लॉक कार्ड पे निर्भर है, मतलब अगर आपने ब्लॉक कार्ड पे कभी सैर की है, मतलब बैठे हो आप कभी, तो ये क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपको लिख सकते हैं। इट्स अ चॉइस, नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट। सो नेक्स्ट है बाईसाइकिल राइड। अब इसमें बताया नहीं है कि कौन सी जगह का है, लेकिन वैसे तो ज़्यादातर बाईसाइकिल राइड तो विलेजेस में ही होता है। आई थिंक ये दोनों सिचुएशन विलेजेस में ही हुई हैं। सो लेट्स रीड अबाउट बाईसाइकिल राइड। We ride our bicycles on the long road to school. At first, girls here did not go. We here did not go to school because it was too far. But now groups of 7 or 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. So, can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? How many children come on bicycles in your school, to your school? You have to write. Jugaad, what a vehicle. It's about Gujarat. The story is about Gujarat. Here you can see. Look at our special transports. Its sound when it runs. It is not something special. The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made about planks of wood. Here the picture is given. Then this. Okay, now there are some questions. Do you have such vehicles in your area? What do you call them in your area? Would you like to ride something like this, and why? Can you tell why it is called jugaad? The jugaad has been made by using waste material. Why don't you try to make something by putting together some waste material? Can you think of a place where none of these vehicles can reach? Such places. Yes, there are such places. So now, children cross the jungle. तो ये भी आई थिंक विलेजेस का ही है. चिल्ड्रन क्रॉस द जंगल, आई थिंक ये विलेजेस में ही है. यानी कि अब बताएंगे कि कैसे बच्चे विलेजेस में इतनी ऊबड़ खाबड़ सड़कों पे ऐसे देखिए जाते हैं. सो वी हैव टू गो थ्रू अ थिक फॉरेस्ट to reach school. At some places, it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is always very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. Have you ever been a thick jungle or any such place? Write your experience in your notebook. Can you recognize some birds by their sound? Can you imitate the sound of some birds? Do it. So next is about moving on the snow, and the place is Northern Hills. So you all know in Northern Hills there is much snow. See how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snow. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. The snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. So here the picture is given how they are moving in the snow. See how difficult is it. So have you ever seen so much snow where in films or somewhere else? So you have to write from your own experience. Do you think that such place have snow all the time? Why? So now the next story is about, and I think it's last story. Yeah, it's last story. The chapter is completing slowly. So the last story is about Uttarakhand. So first we will read Then we will observe the picture. Rocky paths. We live in mountains. The paths are rocky and uneven. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on these, but we can easily race up and down. ये देखिए कितनी मतलब पत्थरों से जा रहे हैं, कितनी डिफिकल्ट है. So now question, no matter where there is a dense forest, farms, mountains or snow on the way, we manage to reach school. So here is the one more line about this. So now there are two questions, then some I think it's activity. So do you face difficulty on the way to your school? You have to write. Which is the best month in which you like to go to school? Why? See me walk. So let's read it out. Go to a garden or an open space with your friends. Act the way you will walk in these situations. The ground is made of soft and smooth rose petals. The ground is covered with thorns and there is a tall grass on the sides. The ground is covered with snow. What was there a difference in the way you walked each time? Discuss. Yeah, this is a very funny activity. You can do it with your friends in an open place or any garden. From children's pen. So no punishment. It's about punishment. That which punishment you will get if you are failed in the test. 30 rulers. Fooled around in the test. 15 rulers. Homework not done. 18 rulers. Nail teeth dress not clean. 30 sit-ups. Having fun in class when teacher is out. Stand on one leg for 2 hours. Not back in class after recess. Stand on the bench with your hands up in the air for 1 hour. So it's written by Sagar Mishra, class 4th, August 2006, Divas, Madhya Pradesh. So talk and share about it. So write it your own. Okay, so the chapter is finished now. Thank you.